Hi, I'm John. This is the first in a series on Android intents. We're going to cover the basics today. Basically how to launch an activity with an intent, how to launch a service, how to send extras, send a broadcast. The idea with the series is to help developers start to think about how to build a public API on the phone. The first video, this one, is just going to focus on the basics. You have to kind of have some idea of Android, like basically just have your environment set up. I'll link a video to that. To start another activity from an activity you already have in Android. Like let's say you set the thing up in Android Studio, it gives you the blank default activity. You want to know how to start a second activity, right? You have a button that launches another screen. The way that you do that is from your current activity, you have maybe in your button listener, click listener, right? You have start activity, and then you pass in a new intent with the current context, which is your current activity, and new activity. Very simple. Service, basically the same thing. You start the same way. You say start service from an activity, from something with a context. Send broadcast, also very similar. The one difference is that you want to have an action that the broadcast is registered for. With the broadcast receiver, you can start to think about opening this API up to other services on the phone. The example we're going to talk about next time, if you remember on Mac computers, you can type say into the terminal and then some words, and the computer will just speak out the words like magic. I'd like to try this on Android. I think that you could probably get this done with intent, where any app could send something to the app that we're going to build next time via an intent and our public API, and our new app is just going to speak it out. It's just going to go text-to-speech and blah, here it is. That's it. That's going to be our start for the public APIs.